You're dancing, honey? Here, dance, sweetie. I think that's a dog. That's a dog, yep, that's a dog.
There's dogs.
Uh-huh. But you gotta close it and then open it again. Okay. Close it and open it. Okay, dance. That's your favorite birthday card, isn't it, Jonas? Is that your favorite birthday card? Jonas.
This card.
Here, close it and open it again. Dance. You're a good dancer, Jonas. You learned that from watching the monkeys, didn't you? Close it and then open it again. You're all done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Time for a bath.